Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens 20 box 21-22 game news case break 3408. To our current day and time, it is Sunday, January 15th at 3:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Sunday, January 15th at 6:02 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course for anyone who hasn't signed up on our break site, sign up there. And break for Tuesday is full already. Van City Rex 123 with the Ducks. Go down to Philly Flyers 219. And the Penguins Moose 97 going down to Member. So appreciate it again, guys. I'm having a pretty good weekend there, Jake. Be back at the store here tomorrow. Tonight we got game news and Battle Universe again coming you guys' way. Okay. Good luck, guys and gals. Oh. We got Spgu or SP Game News. Wow, got a little bit of a restock. Here we go. We are kicking off with Cam York out of $9.99. $9.99 for the Flyers. Got Spencer Knight out of $9.99 for Florida. And Scott Perunovich, authentic rookie autograph for the Blues. And Paul Coffey, Hall of Fame legend sweater for the Oilers. And Matthew Phillips for the Flames. And Callan Addison out of 150. Let's see if that light fixes the glare that's happening here. Box 2. So we got David Ferentz out of $9.99 for the Preds. Dustin Brown out of $2.05 for the Kings. And drafting marks, the letter E of Nicholas Boudin, 34/35. Nicholas Boudin. And Yarmer, Yager, and Broden History, Yogs, the Moose. Nice hit there. And Jack Hughes, jersey banner for the Devils. And Brad Marchand for the Bruins. Sorry, guys, just give me a sec here. They're trying to run back in. Just trying to see if I can reduce any of this glare that's coming in from the outside. Okay, hopefully that fixes some of it, the sunlight. Okay, so we got Jack Aucan out of $9.99 for the Bruins. Alex Ovechkin out of $2.05 for the Caps. And Tanner Lesinski for the Flyers. Got to Justin. And Kale Makar jersey banner for the Avalanche. And Nils Lundqvist for the New York Rangers. Nils Lundqvist and Quinn Hughes banner year for the Canucks. And JVR for the Flyers. On to box 4. So we got Ross Colton out of 999 for the Lightning. And rookie Keaton Middleton, 14 of 67 for Colorado. Go to Dirk. And Tice Thompson, authentic rookie autograph for the Devils. And jersey banner, we got Leon Draisaitl and a Kyle Kiamaka. And embroidered, rookie blends out of 150. Nicholas or Wyatt Kalynuk. And John LeClaire Purity for the Flyers. So we got Matthew Phillips out of 999 for the Flames. Mason McTavish out of 999 for the Ducks. And we got Kopi jersey auto 62 of 65 with the 77 Perkins. And embroidered draft picks, Cole Caulfield. They say Gilbert or Gilbert. Thatcher Demko for the Canucks, and Guy Lafleur out of 150. Going out to the Habs. Everyone's having a wonderful Sunday here. A lot of good NFL playoff games, and I don't think there's that many hockey tonight. Almost a bunch of the teams played yesterday there. So authentic rookies, Cole Perfetti out of 999, 18 of 999. And Jean-Gabriel Pageau, 14 of 44. Going out to the Islanders, going to STF or STFX. And Taylor Radish, authentic rookie auto for the Lightning. And purity of Connor McDavid. Going to Kiamaka. And redeems Zahorna for the Penguins. And Victor Hedman for the Lightning. Okay, let me just move these ones over. Yeah. We got Jacob Bryson out of 999. Garrett Pilon out of 205 for the Capitals. And draft day marks, Moritz Seider, 23 of 35, the letter S. And Ethan. Keep building up that nameplate. And banner year from the Stanley Cup playoffs, Mitch Marner. Authentic fabrics of Tom Wilson. And Shane Pinto, purity. We got Taylor Radish out of 999 for the Lightning. Artemi Panarin out of 205 for the Rangers. And Parker Kelly, authentic rookie autograph for the Senators. Going to TPS. And Nathan McKinnon, banner year for the Avalanche. Victor Hedman for the Lightning jersey. And Philip Forsberg for the Preds. And Kevin Hayes, banner year. A ton of banners. This one's from the outdoor winter games there. Box number 9. Got Vasily Podkolzin out of $9.99 for Vancouver. Mason McTavish out of $9.99. And John Gibson, game use auto for the Ducks. Got to Van City Rex. And Hall of Fame legend sweaters, Mark Rickey for the Flyers. And Zach Jones for the Rangers. And JVR banner year for the Fly. And Mark Scheifele for the Jets. So we got Jonas Ronberg out of $9.99 for Vegas. And Trevor Zegras out of $9.99 for the Ducks. An authentic rookie autograph Morgan Barron for the Rangers. That's the Mad Max Horde. And embroidered draft picks of Trevor Zegras for the Ducks. Van City Rex. And Lane Pedersen, authentic rookie jersey for the Sharks. And embroidered in history, Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. And Andrei Vasilevsky for the Lightning. Okay. So we got Tanner Jeannot at a $9.99 for the Preds. Ukko Pekka-Luukkonen at $2.05 for the Sabres. And Mark Stone, 42 of 65 for Vegas. Coming out to MT. And Jeremy Swayman embroidered giraffe picks for the Bruins. Went out to Tom. And authentic fabrics of Brent Burns for the Sharks. And Charlie McAvoy banner year for the Bruins. And Nikki Backstrom for the Capitals. Got Jonah Gadjevich for the Sharks. Got Anton Lundell out of $9.99 for the Panthers. And Brady Tkachuk, jersey auto, 93 of 99 to TPS. And Jacob Bryson out of $9.99. And jersey banner, Alexander Barkov, all red from the Eastern Conference. And Keith Tkachuk for the Blues. A lot of Tkachuks. Just need Matt to make his appearance. Oh. Brady and Poppy were in the same pack. Authentic rookies, Ivan Perez-Fativ out of $9.99. Quinton Byfield out of $9.99 for the Kings. Morgan Barron, authentic rookie auto for the Rangers. And Marc-Andre Fleury, banner year, going out to Vegas, MT. And Matthias Samuelson for the Sabres. And Mark Scheifele, banner year for the Jets. And embroidered in history, we got Oliver Bjorkstrand, the Maestro. And this one is Columbus, though. Got traded during the off season there. So we got Sampu Renta at $9.99 for Colorado. Alexander Barkov at $2.05 for the Panthers. And tonight's lineup is going to be a 101 for the Carolina Hurricanes. Jordan Staal. Carolina. Nice hit there. Going to Bordell, 73. So it's most likely Jordan Staal. It's the only Staal that's still on their team there. It's a nice hit there. Carolina. And rookie blends of Philip Tomasino at a 150 for the Preds. And Mark Stone jersey banner. And embroidered in history, Nicholas Hjalmarsson, the Swedish missile defense system. He is Chicago there. The missile. I don't know if he scored many goals during his time, but nice 101 here of Jordan Staal. So we got Nils Lundqvist out of $9.99 for the Rangers. Alex Newhook out of $9.99. And Wade Allison, authentic rookie auto for the Flyers. And Justin and Lucas Raymond, authentic rookie jersey. Sorry, yo, just give me a sec. And jersey banner, we got Hoobie. And William Eklund, Purity for the Sharks. So I guess just give me a sec here. Let's go. Open the door here for the pup to go outside. Okay, so we got Jake Neighbors out of $9.99 for the Blues. Authentic rookie Quinton Byfield for LA. And inked rookie sweaters patch auto 32 of 49. We got Jacob Bernard Docker. Nice hit there. Ottawa got a TPS. Colorado, or for the Senators, and Igor Shesterkin for the Rangers, and Lane Pedersen for the Sharks. And banner year of Tuukka Rask. Tokyo's we don't want him barking like that all the time. Got Cole Perfetti out of $9.99. And Nikita Kucherov, 205 for the Lightning. And Ivan Cournoyer, 23 of 25 Purity autograph for the Canadiens. That is Gilbert. And banner year, Sidney Crosby. And banner year, Matt Dumba. And Doug Gilmour, Purity. Going out to Toronto. So authentic rookie Jan Jenik out of $9.99. Martin Brodeur 59 205 for the Devils. And patch number 1 of 15 of Anze Kopitar, 3 colors. Brad 77 Perkins. And banner year we got Marc-Andre Fleury for Vegas still. No, he's changed teams multiple times since. It's probably since this year that they were planning on doing this set. An authentic rookie jersey, Alex Turcotte for the Kings, and Tyler Toffoli for the Montreal Canadiens. On to box number 19. Got Taylor Radish out of $9.99 for the Lightning. Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, 205 for the Sabres. And Frameworks, we got Brock Besser for Vancouver. Mr. BB6. And Marit Seider, authentic rookie jersey for the Red Wings. Going to Ethan. Racing and Scott Perunovich for the Blues. And Purity of Eric Lindros for the Flyers, the Big E. And on to pack 20, guys. Final one of game news. I've got another case of game news tonight here for you guys as well. Got Wade Allison out of $9.99 for the Fly. And Kyle Connor, 205 for the Jets. And Riley Damini, authentic rookie auto for the Stars. And patch, 6 of 15, Brendan Gallagher for the Canadiens. And Jake Leschyshyn for Vegas. And banner year of Nick Suzuki for the Habs. So that is gonna conclude our break here, guys. Oh, sorry for that. Sleeve up the galley there. So no multi-team randoms here. Metal Universe coming up here in just a few moments. So appreciate again, guys.